Welcome to our channel. Wavlink WiFi6 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender Access Point. If you're tired of weak Wi-Fi signals, this video is for you. Today, we're setting up the Wavlink WiFi6 Outdoor Extender, a powerful device that takes your internet range to the next level. Plug in the extender using the provided power adapter and wait for the LED lights to turn on. This means the device is powered and ready. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings and look for a network name something like Wavlink_2G or Wavlink_5G. Tap to connect to that network. No password is needed at this stage, it's an open connection. Open your internet browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and in the address bar, type 192.168.10.1. Press enter, and it will take you to the Wavlink setup/login page. When prompted, enter the default login credentials, username, admin, password, admin. After logging in, go to the wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings section from the dashboard menu. You'll see options to change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Enter the name you want. Below that, you'll see the password field. Choose a strong password like MyOutdoorNet at 2025. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Scroll down and click on Save or Apply to lock in your changes. The device will reboot automatically, which may take around 1 to 2 minutes. After reboot, go back to your device's Wi-Fi settings. You'll now see your custom Wi-Fi name in the list. Connect to your new network, and this time it will ask for a password. Enter the one you just created. That's it. Your Wavlink WiFi6 Outdoor Extender is now fully set up, secure, and ready to provide strong outdoor Wi-Fi coverage. If you liked this tutorial and found it useful, please subscribe for more tech lessons and troubleshooting advice, and leave a comment with any questions you may have. Thank you for watching.